Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, children. Today, we're going to learn something super fun. It's called measurement. That means finding out how big, small, heavy, or full things are. Are you ready to become little measuring experts? Let's go. First, let's talk about length. How long or short something is. If I want to know which pencil is longer, I put two pencils next to each other. Look, this one is longer, and this one is shorter. Can you try that? Pick two crayons and see which one is longer. Great job. Now let's learn about weight, how heavy or light something is. Some things are heavy, like a school bag, and some things are light, like a balloon. If you lift your lunchbox, does it feel heavy or light? Try it and see. Next is volume. How much space something takes up or how full it is. If we pour water into a big glass and a small glass, which one holds more? Yes, the big glass. It has more volume. It's fun to see which one holds more or less. Did you know we can measure using fun things too? We can use pencils, hands, or even our feet. It's a fun way to explore measuring. For example, my table is 5 pencils long. You can try it. Measure your bed using your hand or a toy car. Let's remember what we learned today. Length, long or short. Weight, heavy or light. Volume, more or less. You can measure things all around you, your toys, your snacks, your books. See you next time, Lil Explorers.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.